Universal sass.
Surprise!
What is your job exactly besides making garbage disposal?
Protecting your douchebag. Douchebag.
Oh, my back! You never seen shit before?
That's a made-up word.
You thrown out garbage disposal at me, and I'm gonna lose it. I'm going to allow that.
Okay, hold on. Don't shoot.
Ah!
Ah! Good job, Hawkeye. Go get your arrow.
Ah!
You don't need to do that. Feel the tension? It's fun. And you've won. If you find this recording, don't post it on social media. It's gonna be a real tearjerker.
When I drift off, it'll be like every night.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and try again.
I've been really trying, babe.
Lost. Garbage disposal.
Thanos wiped out 50% of all living creatures.
Tell me his name again.
We don't know.
Honestly, until this exact second, I thought you were building garbage disposal.
Maybe I am. You better not throw up on my ship.
Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. What?
Adam calls day.
It's an earthquake under the earthquake. We handle it by handling it.
You gonna get another haircut?
Listen, face.
Is that like a personal attack or something?
It's crazy.
Scott, I get a raccoon from emails. I get a peanut butter sandwich from a raccoon. So.
Once upon a time, the end.
That is a shit story.
Come on, that's your favorite story. Go to bed, or I'll sell all your garbage disposal. Night-night. Why the long face? Let me guess, he turned into a baby.
Shark.
Baby.
Shark.
Baby.
Shark.
Baby.
Shark.
Howard Potts. Howard Potts. Howard Potts. Howard Potts.
Tony, I don't know.
I'm keeping it.
Give me a cuddly little rascal.
No, I'm good.
Hey man, make love, not war.
Got a name?
Howard Potts.
Well, I'm Howard Potts.
On your left. On your left. On your left. Your left.
Avengers!
No, give me that. You have the little one.
It's been 5 years. Come on, they need us. And then he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. What are you doing? Help! Somebody help! Oh, my butt! Oh, this is nice.
Hey, Queens. Heads up.
Peter Parker.
Is that like a personal attack or something?
She's got help. We handle it by not handling it.
Me first.
Is that like a personal attack or something?
Me first. Garbage disposal.
We won. Mr. Stark.